হ্যালো এভরিওয়ান, আজ আমি তোমাদের মডেল অ্যাক্টিভিটি টাস্ক নভেম্বর 2021 অষ্টম শ্রেণী বিষয় ইংরেজি এর অ্যান্সারটা করে দিচ্ছি। শুধু অ্যান্সার করে দিচ্ছি। 1 নম্বর, জন স্টার্টেড টু ড্রিম এগেন অ্যাজ হি লে ফাস্ট অ্যাসলিপ। 2 নম্বর, দ্য স্কুয়াল অ্যারোজ সাডেনলি without a warning. 3 number, in the squall the sails of the boat were torn and spars were broken. 4 number, the sailors tried to snatch away the cap from John's head to stop the squall. 2 number, A, true false. 1 number, F, supporting statement, drove to Elgin Road around 8:30 p.m. 2 number F, false. Supporting statement, none of the family members knew anything except Subhash's niece Ila and a male cousin Dijen. Number 3, F, supporting statement, Subhash had changed into his disguise as Muhammad Ziauddin. B, Beer Act, the Wanderer is the name of a car. B, only Subhash's niece Ila and his male cousin Dijen knew about the great escape of Subhash. C, Subhash disguised himself as Muhammad Ziauddin, wearing a long brown coat, baggy salwars and a black fez. Section B, grammar and vocabulary. 3. Act, every morning has to infinitive to go for a walk, to infinitive. 2 number, nowadays supply of food grains in unabundant. 3 number, this is the place where Rabindranath was born. This is the place, main clause. Rabindranath was born, subordinate clause. 4 number, 4 নম্বরটা হচ্ছে রিলেটিভ ক্লজ বা অ্যাডজেক্টিভ ক্লজও বলা যায়। 5 number, by this time next year Dia will have attended her university classes. 4 number, noun phrase, adjective phrase, adverb phrase. Noun phrase, adoption, puppy. Adjective, spotted, cold. Adverb, never, rather. 5 act, my father prayed that God might bless me. 2 number, the police officer forbade to go there. 3 number, the headmaster asked me where I lived. Section C, writing. Letter, যে পাঠাচ্ছে তার ঠিকানা এখানে। বাবুল সাহা লিখেছি আমি, বাবুল সাহা লিখেছি, বউবাজার, শতলেন, কলকাতা। Dear Ranjan, what a great disappointment last Sunday. We all expected to get you in our midst. Now I give you a brief account of our experience of the festival. I enjoyed very much. A week ago, I with my parents paid a visit the Posh Mela held at Shanti Niketan. The entire atmosphere was of unfettered delight. I saw simple village folk gathering round a big enclosure. The sellers had built their stalls of handmade bags, clothes, muddy pots with beautiful designs on them. On the occasion of the new harvest, all were found in glee and glitter. Rabindra Sangeet filled the air of the entire fairground. The students of Shantiniketan with colorful dress were found dancing and singing. I enjoyed everything to my heart's content. I was also glad to discover the strength of our cultural diversity and variety through this fair. No more today, with love. Yours ever, বাবুল। যাকে পাঠাবে তার ঠিকানা এখানে, যাকে পাঠাবে তার ঠিকানা এখানে। স্ট্যাম্প টু রঞ্জন সরকার লিখেছি, গোড়াবাজার, বহরমপুর। সে এই ঠিকানাগুলো সে নিজে নিজে ইচ্ছা মতো দেবে। বায়োগ্রাফি, অবনীন্দ্রনাথ টেগর। Abanindranath Tagore was one of the popular painters and writers. He was born at Jorasaku in Kolkata on 7th August in 1871. His parents were Ganindranath Tagore and Sunayani Devi. Ganindranath Tagore and Sunayani Devi were his siblings. Siblings মানে হচ্ছে ভাই বোন। Siblings মানে হচ্ছে ভাই বোন। He took his education at Government College of Art and Craft. Later, he was admitted to Sanskrit College. For his higher education, he studied at University of Calcutta. His fame spread for drawing, painting, and writing. His notable works were Bharat Mata and the Passing of Shah Jahan. He wrote some important books such as Khirer Putul, Raj Kahini, Boro Angla, etc. This great person breathed his last on 5th December 1951, creating a vacuum মানে শূন্যতা in the field of painting. Have a nice day.